Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the assembly and operation of your kitchen blender. Assembly. Insert the blade in the bowl. Ensure that the blade is correctly in place with the blade ring locked. Position the bowl on the base, handle slightly on the left, and turn the bowl anti-clockwise until it locks. Insert the lid seal into the lid. Ensure that the flat part of the seal is in contact with the inner part of the lid. Lock the lid large tab at front, turn anti-clockwise. Lock the cap on the lid. Your machine is ready to work. Operation: control board. On button. Off button. Pulse button. Variable speed button. R crush for hard ingredients. How to set the timer. Stopwatch. Press on button for counting upwards. Press plus and minus together to reset time. Timer. Select required time using plus and minus. Press on to start countdown. To switch off the timer, press the on and off buttons until the screen goes blank. To switch on the timer, press the on and off buttons until the screen lights up. Code C40 to C47. The machine is correctly configured. The code is displayed every time the machine is connected. Watch the next chapter for accessories.